What's more important than going fast?
Stopping faster.
And that's exactly what we're doing today in this episode. Welcome back to another episode of Driving Production. So what exactly are we doing today?
Well, today we're going to be installing some brakes, some EBC green stuff pads for the rear, and we're also going to be installing some slotted rotors for the rear and drilled and slotted rotors for the front, and some pads, stock pads for the front. So all of my brakes are pretty shot, so it'll be a whole brake upgrade.
Before we actually jump into installing the brakes, let's go test out how the stock brakes perform, and then we can compare it to the upgraded brakes.
Before, I just wanted to mention that Billy is running some Indy 500s.
Our super accurate measuring. All right, so it's first drive. We're gonna see how it feels.
Wow, bro, it bites immediately.
Nice.
And no funny noises.
Yeah.
Wow, this is awesome. Definitely notice a difference with the, oh wow, oh my goodness.
Yeah, I feel like it bites quite a bit more.
It bites right away now, like with the EBC green stuff pads.
Yeah.
And yeah, JP also serviced the front brakes, and we changed to the slotted and drilled rotors for the front, but we kept the same pad.
I think the service was pretty good because there was a slider that was seized, so that could have affected your brake performance. Honestly, the sound of this car is so good. All right, so now with the brakes are a little bit breaking in and everything, we're just gonna do a quick comparison like we did with the stock pads and rotors.
Oh my goodness,
Oh
wow.
my goodness. Wow. Compared to this one, that is crazy. All right, so we just finished the test. Honestly, I'm really impressed just the brake service in the front and the rear EBC brake pads and rotors in the back, how much of a difference it made.
I agree.
What do you
Big
think?
difference. Yeah, like totally, like much more bite when you go to brake initially, and it brakes harder, and we just proved it stops faster. So Job well done.
I'm really impressed. I'm actually wondering how much of a difference it would actually make if we would have done the front pads with EBC, or even like more aggressive pads. How much of a difference? Because our average was about 75 feet with the OEM pads at first, and now we dropped down to 40 something feet. That's almost 30 feet difference between the two, so that's like 2 car lengths.
Yeah, exactly. So it's really surprising, and it's so nice to have brakes that actually work and brake now. So
pretty excited. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you want to see more of Billy's build, you can follow him on Instagram at Biller and see how his build is going on. He's gonna get some pretty exciting stuff coming soon, so definitely check him out on Instagram. And apart from that, that's it for the episode today, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.